Hello guys, and today I'm going to show you how you can do bank transfer from Revolut to Australia. So what we'll need to do is basically open up your Revolut app and then go to the payments. If you don't see the payments, what you can do is scroll a little bit up and this bottom panel will show up, and then click on the payments in the center. Then go to the top right corner and click on the plus icon. And right here you can select that you can send to the bank, or if you're international you may need to select international. And after that, where it says search for a country, select and type Australia. And after that, if I choose Australia right here, I will need to put some info, how much do I want to send it, and then I will need to confirm it. So if you click on that one, you'll see all of this. If this video was helpful, please make sure to subscribe to Guide to Everything, comment down below for the algorithm, and see you in the next one.